Welcome back to the Soul Foods channel. My name is Patricia and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be making meat pie, and with meat pie most Liberians prefer it with ground beef, but for me I prefer it with canned sardines and a bunch of vegetables. Every time I can sneak vegetables into my cooking, I try to do that. Just a healthier way of eating. So I'm starting with the pie dough. I have 6 cups of flour here and 4 sticks of butter or 2 cups of butter. It's cold, as you can see it's hard, and I go with cold butter because it gives a flakier, almost croissant like pie dough. With this method, it takes a little bit longer, but you get the best result. And if you just want to make your life easier, room temperature butter in a mixer will put together your pie dough really easily for you. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, after mixing it with my hands like this about 5 minutes, when I do this, you can see that they're already coming together. So I just make a well in the middle and add some cold water. Okay, I ended up adding a little more water. So about 1.5 cups to 2 cups. Time to add the vegetables and seasoning. I got this much onion going in. Seasoning salt. I'll just eyeball it, about 1/4 teaspoon. Blend of seasoning. Little bit of basil. Just a bit. This much tomato, just for extra flavor. I'm adding Maggi. I add half of this because it's already tasty, so I don't need to add all of it. This much onion. When I say I like to add a lot of vegetables to it, I mean it. So I have some micro-bladed carrots, about 1 cup in here. This much tomato. And now just season. Herb blend again. Little bit of basil. A little more seasoning. I'm adding this much Maggi. From this moment forward, you just roll the pie dough and individually fill the pie dough with the filling and bake on 350 degrees. I start with the bottom rack for about 10 minutes and then transfer to the top rack. for about 20 minutes. For those of you who are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for sticking around. And for those of you who are new, please don't be a stranger. Subscribe to this channel so you're part of the family. Thank you.